What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. This is a kind of a fun little video, I'll call it. These are some LED accent lights that you can put on the inside of your car to give it a little style, give you some added lighting on the inside of it. So some of the newer cars come with this already in there. My wife's car it's about 5 years old, so it didn't have this feature in there. And it wasn't one that we were looking for at the time, but these were given to her as a gift for Christmas. So we're going to add these to it and see what it looks like. Now, I am being allowed to open these and review these, so I appreciate that. So here's the box. As you can see, it's called Xtreme Auto LED Accent Lights. The price looked like it was $12.99. I'll leave the link in the description where you can pick these up if I find out. This includes a remote control, also 2 interior LED light bars, and here's the back of it. As you guys can see, enhance your interior with 2 customizable LED strips, control colors and flash modes with included remote, self-adhesive backing for easy application, powered by a built-in 12-volt car adapter. So here is the whole setup here. Look like it's something pretty easy to do. And so let's take a look at it here. Let's get this open. Look like there's some tape there, so I'm going to have to cut that. All right, get the tape cut. There it is. Let's see what we got on the inside here. All right. Get a baggie. And we're going to drop these in the vehicle. I'm going to show you guys where I put them. Show you guys what they look like as well. So here, these are some very small little strips here. So here are the LEDs. And you do have a pretty long cable here that you can stretch out. Here's a little control box. Control box for the remote control. So, and here's the other LED strip. So you have your 12-volt adapter here. And what this does is plug into here, like so. And then this goes into your 12-volt outlet. You do get a book, little pamphlet here, I should say, telling you how to operate it and use it. And then you have your remote control. As you guys can see, you got your on, off, red, green, blue, white. And yeah, man, so we're going to get this out. We're going to go ahead and go to the car and get this hooked up. And then we'll take a look at it after that. Okay, guys, so we're in the car. We are going to find a place to put these. But first, I need to make sure that they're going to work. So I'm going to come over here to my 12-volt outlets, plug them in, get the remote, and go ahead and turn them on. And as you guys see, they are working. Now, these are very, very bright as well, so I can cycle through the colors. So there's red, there's green, there's blue, there's white. You can also strobe through the colors. A flash right there. You got strobe. You have fade, and you have smooth. So, and you have a bunch of colors here that you can, the remote can do a lot of things. So you'd have to sit there and play with how you want to set it up. But these are going to be pretty nice. So next, I'm going to show you where I'm going to put these, and we're going to go ahead and put them in. So. All right, guys, so we're back in. I do have the LEDs in. As you can see, this one is on the passenger side, right up under the glove compartment. And I have it right here. And the wire goes back that way and goes across the console over to the other side. And I'll show you guys that side. But here it is. If you're looking at the glove compartment, then just come down. And this was tucked out of the way pretty good. I like where the wire is and everything there. So let's check out the other side. Okay, guys, so this is the driver's side. And I have the other LED right here underneath the steering wheel side. As you guys can see, here's the wire here, and it comes through all the way at the back there, and I have it tucked in that plastic there. And also down here I have the other wire coming from the other side tucked underneath this. And here's my control box and things that I need to get straightened out there. Not sure how I'm going to do it, but I got to have this up far and tucked good enough so when someone lets the seat up, it won't get in the way there. But here's the console right there. And I'm going to get this all straightened up, and then I'll show you guys what it looked like after I'm done. All right, guys, so we're back in. It is dark out now, so you guys can really get the chance to see what this looks like, how it came out. As you guys can see, the LEDs are hid pretty well underneath, so they don't shine directly in your eyes. So this is on the strobe. Let me go ahead and see if I can just change it to solid color. So that's red, here's green, there's blue, there's white. And let's make it strobe again here. Get it back on the red, and let's strobe. And you can also go to the next one down, which I can't see in the dark here, but that is it. I guess it fades to each color by itself. Yes, you see it's going slowly through the colors. And then the next one down, not sure what it is, but this is what it does as well. And then I think the last one is called smooth, and that's that one there. And then we're going to get to the strobe again. So yeah, man, this came out great. Very easy to do. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick something up like this and do. Now you can also turn it on and off by just pushing the button on the part you put into your 12 volt. So yeah, man. Okay guys, so this has been a look at the Xtreme Auto LED accent lights for your car, truck, or whatever you want to put it in. Pretty simple to put in, and they look awesome. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out. Pretty nice.